What's up, Mopar Militia? I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna go over how to properly use the launch control. So there's quite a few differences between the 2016 version, 2017 version, and the new version. So I noticed a couple things, so I just wanted to make sure I take care of you guys, go through a little quick tutorial and show you guys how to use it, because I've seen a lot of people saying it's like garbage, they don't really know how to use it, but I'm gonna take care of that for you. All right. Like one of the first things, like when you go into it, right? So you guys know that if you double tap the SRT button, it'll take you into your custom mode in the Redeye. So I don't know if you guys knew that, but you can do. So you set your custom mode up, custom setup, whatever you want. Personally, I like traction on sport, suspension on street, gives it the most squat, and then I like to have my steering on sport or track, you know, but kind of like the sport, it's not too firm and it's not too loose, so kind of works for me. I'm not really going around corners, so none of that shit fucking matters. But for your launch control, you can go into race options and set it up. So you know, you can start around 1500. It doesn't really matter in this version, because when you hit the fucking button, right, it doesn't, basically when you launch the car, when you let off the brake and launch the car, it doesn't give you all the power. It regulates it, and it makes sure the wheels don't spin. Now the 2016 version gave you all the power, so when you got off the thing, it's whatever you got. If your tires could hold it, it was good. If it was not, you had to go down and go up. So with this one, it's pretty cool. It's a little bit better. You're not going to spin at all, so that's one good thing. So to get into it, you can go here, hit activate launch control, or if you're in your regular SRT pages, you can just hold the launch control button down, and then it's ready to go in the launch control. But it's going to tell you, you know, you got to be in drive and all that cool shit. So that's that. So we'll go somewhere and I'll show you guys how to use it. We'll fuck with it again right here. Too easy. Come to a stop, hit the launch control button, hold it down. All right, it's going to tell you apply the brake quickly, and then just stop all the way on the throttle, and it's holding two-step. Let off of it. That's all there's to it. It's not fucking hard to use. So I see people struggling with it, and I'm like, man, and the setup is the same from the old school, like the 2006 2007 version. I think they changed it. I mean, the 2016 2017 version, I think they changed it in 2018. But you know, the newer version uses the wheel sensors and all that stuff in it, and it'll keep you from spinning. It won't spin at all. So you know, on the street, you can see it works really good. So you know, if you're spinning, you ain't winning. So at the track, I would probably just foot brake it, because with the if you got drag radials and everything, and they got the track prep, you're gonna get a better launch that way. But you can see it definitely works. Yeah, it ain't nothing to it, man. It's really pretty simple to use. So you just gotta follow the directions. Like I said, you hit the button, you can roll into the beams, you hold your foot on the brake. Now put the brake firmly. You don't have to mash the brake down to like you're trying to brake it. Just hold the brake firmly and stomp on the gas. And when you stomp on the gas, it will lock in. It won't chirp. It won't do anything until you take your foot off that gas, and it's going to let it rip. And depending upon your RPMs is how hard the car is going to come out. But the computer won't let it spin. So it's a lot better than before. And like I said, on the street, very effective. At the track, probably just want to foot brake it. So I got to do some stuff to the PCM, get it unlocked, and then we'll have the trans brake and all the demon stuff in the car soon. But that's going to take a few minutes, because I got to send my PCM out and all that kind of stuff, and we'll be there. So yeah, I told you guys I wasn't going to mod the car, but fuck it, that's who I am and that's what I do. So car's getting modded, and we're going to go fucking racing, and we're going to take some fucking names and kick some fucking ass. So that's what it's all about. So, and you don't got to do much to these cars. A pulley, put it on E85 and let it go fucking eat. and it's gonna fucking it's gonna run a good number. So it's gonna run 9s like that with no fucking problem. So just follow me on the journey, and you guys will see. Now, if you like the channel, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the don't like button. If you like the channel, then subscribe. And if not, either way, if you like it, love it, hate it, whatever, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you guys. Otherwise, stay safe, and you know what time it is, Mopar Mafia. All right, till next time, peace.